I definitely grew up around construction with my dad being here. So a lot of people say, yeah, you've been here 13 and a half years, but you've really been here your entire life. My dad was a foreman. He taught us how to definitely work hard, and it's something that I would love to instill in my kids. Started as a laborer, and I was in the field for roughly 3 years. As I was a laborer, I kind of became a foreman's assistant. I ended up learning the blueprints, and I would update the prints on the job site. I'd do time, I'd manage RFIs, I'd do the tool inventory. And then there was this little talk about workforce development. At the time, DeWitt Churchwell was our division president. Because I give you 2 days to put a presentation together and get a hold of a school and see what you can make happen. So I created a PowerPoint, I called a school, we went in, and then he called me. He was like, I can't believe it. We already have 2 students in here. You just went there yesterday, and we already have kids at the door. I was like, well, that's cool. And I met Katrina Kirsch, and I told her that workforce development position was mine, and it was nobody else's. And I've been here in workforce development ever since that. I love that they gave me the opportunity to partner with TCCI and create that construction career day for all the students. And I like seeing the opportunities that we create for them. We partnered with a local school here called Construction Careers Academy. My son is currently in the project management strand over there. So him and a partner of his is in the field right now, and they are wearing their tools, and they are working side by side with a journeyman, learning our trade. I love construction, and I love the field, and I think being happy in your career kind of helps you succeed. If you love what you're doing, you definitely want to inspire and help others do the same. My name is Stacy Gunderson. I have been here 13 and a half years, I believe, and I work in workforce development. This is Merrick, and we are family.